Welcome back to Anon Chef, the only place where your chicken gets more love than your last situationship. Today, we're making something so vibrant, so high protein, it should have its own gym membership. Lemon and herb peri peri chicken with yellow rice. High protein? Yup. High drama? Mostly. It's got flavor, flair, and just enough spice to remind you of that one cousin who never stops talking. Let's get into it. Here's what you're getting per serving. 580 calories, 45 grams of protein, 35 grams of carbs, and 25 grams of fat. Balanced like a yoga instructor on a surfboard. Total time, around 1 hour 45 minutes, unless you forget you're marinating. Then it's dinner at midnight. You won't need a spaceship for this one. Just air fryer or oven, blender, rice cooker or gas burner, meal prep boxes, for when you realize how good this is. Chopping board, sharp knife, not butter knife, we're not cutting clouds. Spatula. Time to shop. And no, you can't substitute the red bell pepper with ketchup. Here's what you need for 5 servings. First, you'll need the basics. Chicken breast, because we're being good today. Lemons, for that tangy sass. Garlic, red bell pepper, and a whole bunch of fresh herbs. We're getting colorful. You'll also need basmati rice, a modest spice rack, and of course, olive oil. Because we're classy, not rich, just classy. Everything else is on the screen. Step 1. The marinade magic. Turn your blender into a flavor machine. Toss in olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, bell pepper, paprika, oregano, chili flakes, vinegar, salt, pepper, and a bunch of parsley or cilantro. Or both. We don't judge. Blend that baby until it's smoother than your Gym Crush's protein shake. Give it a taste. If it doesn't slap you with flavor, adjust. This marinade should flirt with your tongue, not send a breakup text. Next up, prep the chicken. Slice it into thick strips or butterfly if you're feeling fancy. Rub that marinade like it owes you rent. I want that chicken to feel like it just came back from a week-long retreat in Portugal. Cover and let it marinate in the fridge for at least 1 hour, or overnight if you're patient and a little extra. You've got 2 ways to cook this beauty. Method 1, air fryer. Toss it in at 190 degrees Celsius. That's 375 degrees Fahrenheit for my Fahrenheit folks. For 15 to 18 minutes. Flip halfway through. You want it juicy with just enough char to make it Instagrammable. No air fryer? That's okay. Oven works too. 200 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Flip halfway. And if your chicken looks a little pale, give it a 3-minute broil. Think sun-kissed, not sunburnt. While the chicken's cooking, let's talk rice. Yellow rice. Happy rice. The sidekick of this superhero meal. Rinse 1.25 cups of basmati until the water runs clear. In your pot or rice cooker, add a little olive oil. Sauté half a chopped onion until soft. Not burnt, not raw, just emotionally stable. Add turmeric and cumin. Toast the rice with it for a couple minutes. Now add 2.5 cups of water or chicken broth. Salt it like you mean it. Cook until fluffy. You'll know it's done when your kitchen smells like a festival and your soul feels hugged. Now bring it all together. Plate your golden rice. Slice the juicy chicken on top. Add a cheeky lemon squeeze and throw on herbs like you just won a cooking competition. Let's recap. We blended, we marinated, we air fried, we riced, we plated, we conquered. And all under 600 calories. Not bad for something that tastes like vacation. And there you have it. High protein, full flavor, zero boring. If you liked this video, hit that like button. Subscribe or just replay this and pretend you're cooking while lying in bed. No judgment. And hey, comment below, air fryer or oven. What's your team? I'll be judging that, but lovingly. Until next time.